Installing a simple outlet looks easy, but even experienced American electricians keep repeating the same critical mistakes, and these mistakes can burn a house down. The most common issue is backstabbing. It's allowed by code, but long-term it causes loose connections, arcing, heat, and random failures. Always use the screw terminals and avoid push-in holes, especially on 15A circuits. Many electricians forget to bond the ground to the metal box or leave a loose ground connection. Use a solid copper pigtail, bond it to the box, and secure it to the receptacle's ground screw. Grounding saves lives. Too many conductors inside a small box causes overheating and insulation damage, a direct NEC violation. Always calculate cubic inch requirements and use a bigger or deep remodel box. The difference between a shortcut and professional work is safety. Fix these 3 mistakes, follow the NEC, and every outlet you install will last for decades.